Mikey behind the camera, Jared, our new friend Dan just killed this nice bull. West Elk Outfitters. We had an opportunity on this bull this morning and he gave us the slip.
Yeah, he did. He got away once, but we got him.
But Dan got redemption, so that's all that matters. Mikey found this bull yesterday, last light. Tried to find us, we were on some other elk. Luckily we didn't shoot the bull we were after, because this one's a little better than the one we were after. But we took off out of here before Mikey could get to us, so we came back in here today and he was right beside the road, but he was moving, all of his cows were running, so wasn't a good opportunity, but he made the mistake of coming out at 5 o'clock and feeding in this big sage opening. So we were actually driving to go get to a glassing spot, and we pull out in the middle of this park and I'm like, there's a bunch of elk, and I picked the binoculars up and I could see these thirds. I motioned everybody, back up, back up, back up. So we all backed up and they stayed out here. I don't know why or how, or it worked. We made a big circle around the mountain and had to go the long way around. I probably walked Dan butt off today, probably 6 or 7 miles, but he did one more hill and he made a heck of a shot.
260 yards.
260 yards. Dropped him right here. Congratulations.
Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mikey.
Thank you, Mikey and Jared.